Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen. You guys asked for it. Quick tips, quick recipes. So today we're making dough for something we need later on. We read your comments. You want something short and sweet? Here you go. Really simple. I got a cup and a half of lukewarm water. I've added a package of dry yeast. I put in a tablespoon of honey. I prefer the honey versus the sugar. I'm just stirring that up. The yeast needs something to eat. And we'll come back in 10 minutes and we'll start doing the rest steps of our dough. While I'm waiting for my yeast to bloom, I've got 3.5 cups of bread flour, and yes, I prefer the bread flour versus the all-purpose flour. I got 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt that I'm going to add to that mix. I like doing, just to give me a hint of garlic, I like doing just maybe a teaspoon of garlic. And then I really like, we tried this the last time and it was a great hit in the house, about 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. And that's it. We'll wait for the yeast to bloom, get everything situated in our stand mixer here, and we'll start combining. So, got my stand mixer, my bowl and my stand mixer. I've got all the dry ingredients in there. I like to just give us a pre-mix before I start adding in the wet ingredients. There you go. Let it go for a few minutes. 10 minutes have passed. You guys can see my yeast is alive and kicking. So I'm going to add the wet ingredients. And I'm going to be sure to add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. And just combine. You can see once the dough comes together and comes up the spindle there, it's good. You can see the whole ball on the bottom. There you go. So I'm going to get my bowl where I'm going to put my dough in. I'm going to just coat the edges with some olive oil because I don't want the dough to stick to the bowl. And then, can you see that? I'm going to reach in and start taking apart our concoction here. And yes, you can do this without a stand mixer, but why do the hard work?
He now using all my presents. Because now he's the one who uses them all.
So
He's the chef.
Now, I'll take off this dough ball. It's coming. Just thinking about it. And then I will put this in the bottom of our bowl here. Actually, I should do this. I will make it a little smoother. It's thinking about it. And then put that on the bottom of my bowl. From this point on, we're going to let it sit here until it doubles in size. I'm going to cover it with a towel. I'm going to keep it in a warm place in the kitchen, which is for me, the corner over there.
The corner over there.
I'll keep it there for at least 2 hours or until it doubles in size. But we have enough dough for a deep dish pizza. This makes enough for 4 calzones, maybe 2 good sized pizzas, you know, enough for 8 slices. But that dough is good to go. Look at that, rhyming accidentally. That dough is good to go. The CEO wanted me to show the next step. So, next step, cover with a towel and get a nice warm corner till it doubles in size or 2 hours. Guys, I told you wait for it to be doubled or 2 hours, and there you are, more than doubled and more than 2 hours. If you like the video,
Like the video.
Comment down below if you want any more little quick tips like this, and subscribe for more. That said, enjoy the quick tip.